Have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, you see, when it comes to being ugly, they don't come much more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your trouble is. You're preening yourself too much. What do you mean? You've got down in the mouth. I'm getting nothing here. Come on. Give us a smile. I want to be left on my own. Now that's just downright anti-social. Excuse me. I have a human in my throat. Feathers. I know how you feel. I started off as a blob of jelly once, and it's been downhill ever since. I say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince in frog's clothing, and I'm waiting for someone to come along and kiss me and release my inner beauty. And then I say to myself, nah, get real. Who wants to kiss a frog, right? You know what our trouble is? No. Our image isn't in vogue. But you mark my words, Feathers, one day, ugly will be in. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. When those who sport this season's look will fall flat on their ass. Your mother what it's called. For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love you. Gonna love you. Lord Santa. Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fauna, someone's gonna fall for you, though I may look a bit Jurassic. Yes, they call me a classic in my punk. If this old frog can go a-woo in time, you had a wake-up call. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love you. Lord It's true.